What's going on? This is Jason from G Style Magazine, and today is the day I've been waiting for since the Google launch event. I mean, so many rumors, speculations, confirmations. Google launch event introduced two new phones. We already had one with the Google Pixel 4a, which we have here. Just see that. But then the Google launch event gave us the Pixel 4a 5G and then the Pixel 5. So I'm pretty much rocking all black all day, but this is literally just got it in the house about 4 or 5 hours ago, and I was like, let me just jump on cam, show these off. FedEx has been problematic, so shipping was one thing, but you know, this is the 2020 lineup for Google, so let me just hop on. First thoughts, first impressions. Let's jump right in. I mean, which one do I start off first? Should I do Pixel 4a, Pixel 4a 5G, Pixel 5? That naming convention is highly problematic, but we're gonna get through it. All right, so which one? Let's just start off with the 4a, because you know that's the one that already been out for some time. You've seen it everywhere already, but it's the first time you're seeing it here on G Style. So I already took the little black plastic off, but it's to be the first time actually unboxing this since I got it. All right, so Pixel 4a. First impressions: smooth back plastic feel to it, fingerprint sensor, which I think in these times with all masks every day, fingerprint sensors where it's at, and that's one of the things I never really liked about the 4 XL or just the 4 period. I mean, I like using Face Unlock, but the amount of apps still that don't support Face Unlock, and now that we have to rock masks every day, yeah, Face Unlock is problematic for that. But let's take this plastic off so you can see it. Well, make sure you see that back right there, Pixel 4a. Take that plastic off. Alright. Nice looking screen. Thin bezels. I'm a fan of the hole punch for the camera versus the little bar up top, and this does look pretty good. I like the little greenish accent button for it. It's a nice little touch here. Feels nice in the hands. It's easy to hold, and you know, doesn't feel slippery. You know, it's smooth surface. Doesn't feel slippery, so that's good right there. Can you one-handed? Yeah. What else we got in the box? We get starting guides, who actually reads these nowadays, because you kind of know what you gotta do already. We got USB-C to USB-C cable, USB-C to USB-A adapter here, which in all the time that I've gotten these with the phones, I can't really remember any time I've actually used this. I guess if you're coming from another platform to Google or to a Pixel, this is useful, but I have like a ton of these. I need to start a little bucket to collect these, because I don't really use them. And then, of course, power charger. What's that, 18 watt? So that's pretty much the Google Pixel 4a. I do like the way this feels in the hands. I do like how you can hold one-handed. That's really good. And then that fingerprint sensor is always, I feel, is the best position on the back right here. It's just so easy to tap. So very small camera punch out. All right. So Google Pixel 4a. All right. So let's see, which one should I go to next? Let's jump into the Google Pixel 4a 5G, the bigger one of the three, which is kind of weird that the 4a 5G is bigger than the 5. All right, so let's slide this open. I always love Google packaging. Take this plastic, get rid of that, throw it on the desk. All right, flip it out. Same smooth feel as the 4a, which I mean they share that in common, both with the kind of plastic body for it. even though it's much bigger, I can still one-hand this, but I'm probably because I'm used to rocking the 4A. Actually, speaking of that, let's just see that for comparison's sake. Don't know if you can see that here on the table, but they're just about the same size. Pixel 4 XL, just slightly bigger. Hold it up here as well so you can kind of see that matched up. All right, yeah, so feels good to touch. Even though it's plastic, I do like the way it feels. Toss it to the side. Bezels, just kind of about the same as the 4A. Bezel a little bit more pronounced because this is a little bit bigger. And this one has a nice little white accent button on it. Same fingerprint sensor. This one definitely has the wide, ultra wide lens as well as compared to the 4A. So you got a little difference in the camera bump there. Let's see if you can see that on camera. Let's see what there we go. All right. I'm expecting the same thing for the 4A 5G, but we'll go through it. All right, same get starting guide. Yes, yes. USB to USB-C to USB-C cable. Same adapter, which again, if you use them, cool. If not, it just comes take up space. And also power, 18-watt power battery, power charger, which I'm starting to get a collection of these two. Halfway through this gauntlet, we'll do a little box rearranging, kind of put them together so you can kind of see how they all shape up there. There we go. I'm gonna take this one, move it off the table, put it over there, slide that, and then we get to the main attraction, the big show, the Google Pixel 5. So I see people call it Pixel 5 5G, but I think the official name is just the Google Pixel 5. 5G in the box is just to let you know. Just got that. But let's slide that open. I'll tell you right off the back, even though it looks the same as the 4A 5G and the 4A, it definitely has a nice kind of textured feel to it. It's not smooth like these two, but it definitely has this nice little texture. It's not rough, it's not smooth, but you know, it feels nice. But the bezels here are the thinnest of the lineup, so you can see that there. All black makes it hard to see, but all black all day, we sacrifice. All right, and I'm just curious, so let's see. Actually, I'm actually curious to see the 4A to the 5 in the sizing there, because they're just about, yeah, body wise they're just about the same size. So let me hold that up to the camera so we can see that a little bit better. Let's see, let's hold it up just right, and got the glare there, but okay. Yeah, they literally just about the same size. So if you have a household with both, you may not even know which one you're grabbing at first glance. One thing I do notice here, so even though this has the green accent for the power button and this one has the white, this one doesn't have no color. I guess they want to go premium, so this actually has a chrome accent for the power button. I guess this is more of a premium look touch. I would have preferred to have a nice little color pop, because you know, I do like how the white one here, the Panda, had the nice little pop of orange, you know, so I wish this one had a pop of color as well, just to kind of, you know, give it a nice little feel. Nice little green would have been nice, but it does look good. And then I'm just gonna put this right here on top of the rest, and of course go through the same box and has exactly the same thing as everything else. Get started guide, yep. USB-C to USB-C. I got 3 of those, but when can you not have a use for a USB-C cable? So USB-C to USB-A adapter. Like I said, I'm gonna toss that in the bucket, and an 18-watt power adapter. Now, unlike these two here, the Pixel 5 has wireless charging. So I know there's a little cutout somewhere where it allows you to put it on your wireless charging dock, and I have one on my desk there. So I'm definitely going to, actually, let me see if I can throw that one in now. Okay, going. Yeah, my little wireless charger indicator just came on. So, oh, and there it goes. It's got 75% battery right now, so that's good. I might just leave that there, let it charge a little bit. Nah, I'll bring it back because we gotta wrap this video up. But no, okay, so yeah, ultra wide camera on this one. Same as the 4A 5G, none on the 4A. They all look realistically. Put this over here. They all look, I mean, the same on a table, especially if you got them all black or everything. I can play a shell game here. You may not know which Pixel that you picked up because there's no indicators, you know, besides the camera and the G logo on the back. You don't see the 4A, 5G, 5 on the back, so you have no way, literally, of knowing. The only way you can tell between the 4A and the rest is the camera difference on the back. Anyway, I'm super excited. You know, I'm gonna probably start off with the Pixel 5 as my daily driver first. Go through some testing for that. Then I may hit the 4A 5G. Oh my God, that naming convention, that is problematic. Compared to the Pixel 4 XL, that is definitely a different size jump from what I'm used to. So I gotta see, even though I do like, you know, just being one-handed, I have to see how going back down in size, how I feel about that. But that is a story for another day. Right now, I'm going to wrap this up and try to clean it off. It definitely seems to be a magnet to dust and debris, so that is annoying. But yeah, I'm gonna turn it on, power it up, set it up, make it everything that my daily driver is, and I can fully use it as I would every day. And then I'll come back and report to you guys what I like about the Pixel 5, what I don't, what I like compared to the old 4 XL, and then ultimately how I feel going down the line from the 4A 5G to the 4A. So stay tuned for that. Almost done here. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and click that bell icon so that way you know when I drop the latest videos for these. Jason Anderson, G Style Magazine, and definitely stay tuned. Take care.